Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Amir Isaacs, VP of Partnerships at EndoTech, and today we're going to learn how to execute a withdrawal using Bitfinex. In order to withdraw funds to an external wallet, you will need to have your cryptocurrency in the exchange wallet. Hit the three dots on the right side of your wallet screen and click Withdraw. Enter the address and the sending amount. Click on Withdraw and authenticate yourself. Once the withdrawal is complete, Bitfinex will provide you with a transaction ID on the withdrawal history page. This can take up to 30 minutes. Make sure you copy the TXID to EndoTech's dashboard upon connecting a strategy, or send it to our support team upon receiving a profit share email. For more information regarding withdrawals and payments, please get in touch with our support team and make sure your strategies are connected and active. Good luck, and thank you for choosing EndoTech.